Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, constantly wondering where your money disappears every month? This year, everything can change, but only if you change you. It's time to transform your financial habits once and for all. Imagine waking up 1 year from today with no debt, a growing savings account, and peace of mind. Sounds like a dream. It's not. It starts with one decision. To shift your habits, let's break it all down, step by step. The first habit isn't about money, all it's about mindset. Most people sabotage their wealth by believing they'll never be rich or that money is hard to manage. You must rewrite that script. Tell yourself, I deserve financial freedom. I'm in control. Say it until you believe it. What gets measured, gets managed. Start tracking every dollar that comes in and every dollar that leaves. You'll be shocked how much leaks out through subscriptions, takeout, or impulse buys. Awareness is power. Automate your savings. Create spending categories. Set boundaries. The secret to successful people isn't that they make more, it's that they manage better. A basic system can save you thousands. And don't forget, pay yourself first. Debt is the enemy of freedom. Whether it's the snowball or avalanche method, commit to crushing it this year. Every dollar you free from interest is a dollar that builds your future, not the bank's. Cutting expenses only goes so far. What if you added $500 a month with a simple side hustle or freelance gig? What would that do for your goals? Think big. The more you earn, the more freedom you gain. The secret weapon of wealth isn't luck, it's consistency. Small, smart moves made daily become unstoppable over time. Stick with your plan even when it's boring. That's where the magic happens. If you're serious about building real wealth and transforming your financial life, this is your year. But don't do it alone. Subscribe now and join a community of future millionaires. Hit that bell so you never miss a step on your journey to financial freedom. You don't need more money to get rich, you need better habits. Transform your financial habits this year and watch your whole life change.